In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Canva size to A4. If you're preparing a document for printing, A4 is the standard paper size in many countries, and switching your design to that format helps ensure everything fits and prints cleanly. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, plus a few tips to keep your layout looking great. Start by opening your design in Canva. Look toward the top toolbar for the Resize button. It usually sits near the file name and may display the current dimensions. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see it right away, expand the toolbar or look under the More menu with the three dots. Note that resizing is part of Canva's premium features in many accounts, so if you notice a lock icon, you might need access to that feature to proceed. Click Resize to open the sizing panel. In the search field inside that panel, type A4. This is the most reliable way to bring up the exact preset without scrolling through a long list of formats. When the A4 option appears in the results, select it. You'll typically see it labeled simply as A4, and the dimensions correspond to 210 by 297 millimeters, which is roughly 0.27 by 11.69 inches. Choosing this preset ensures proper proportions for documents intended for standard printers and office use. Next, choose Copy and Resize. This creates a duplicate of your design in the new A4 size while leaving your original untouched. It's the safest workflow because you keep a backup of your initial layout and can always go back if you need to compare or reuse assets. After you click, Canva will generate the resized version. Once the copy is ready, click Open A4. In many cases, the resized design opens in a new tab automatically. If not, this button takes you straight there. Give it a moment to load, and then review your layout on the A4 canvas. Resizing can sometimes shift elements slightly, especially if your original proportions were very different. Take a quick pass to check headlines, images near the edges, and any background shapes. If something looks off, nudge items back into place, use the position tools to center content, and confirm margins look comfortable for printing. And that's it! You clicked Resize, typed A4, selected the A4 preset, chose Copy and Resize, and opened the A4 version. With your design now in the correct paper format, you're ready to continue editing or move on to your usual export and print steps with confidence.